Welcome to another Weiss-Johnson.com product video. Today we have a furnace hot water tank combo from Gradient. This is the SyncFURNACE OD Combi Furnace. This system is both a furnace as well as a tankless hot water heater built into one sleek unit. This unique combo provides ultimate home comfort while saving you money. It features a space-saving design that only uses half the space normally required. It allows you to run a bath, do the dishes, and wash the dog all at the same time without running out of hot water. It has the best in-class efficiency for both furnace and water heating. It also provides instant hot water where and when you need it with built-in recirculation technology. And lastly, it only requires one set of venting pipes. This combo furnace is ideal for both new home and retrofit projects. It has a 10-year warranty on the heat exchanger and a 5-year warranty on parts. And is made right here in Alberta by Gradient Thermal Incorporated, a leader in providing products that both modernize comfort and ensure energy reduction in both distribution and operation. Interested in this furnace hot water tank combo? Weiss-Johnson works hand in hand with Enercare to provide the best leasing opportunities for those looking to lease their next major home comfort purchase. Leasing offers low monthly pricing that is affordable for everyone. Visit Weiss-Johnson.com for more details. With Enercare, a standard lease has no upfront costs and zero costs for parts and labor. There is no cost for equipment replacement, and it provides peace of mind that your home will have a reliable hot water system for years to come. Give us a call today and we can be installing you this new system within the next 48 hours. Thank you for watching our latest product video. Be sure to visit us at Weiss-Johnson.com to discover the great work our large family of companies has been doing since 1977.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. We're proud to be local and family owned, striving to bring you a comfortable home. Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa.